dangerous driving conditions. We're worried about Shoal Creek, Waller Creek, all the creeks. Now we're adding dangerous hail into the mix.
Absolutely. Have you ever played baseball?
Yes.
Okay, can you imagine baseball-sized hail coming crashing through your windshield?
That's big.
Right now we have a warning for Fayette County in the West Point area heading toward LaGrange. Baseball to possibly even grapefruit-sized hail possible.
That's deadly.
So folks, this is the same system that earlier had the tornado warning on it. It's no longer tornado warned. It does have a severe thunderstorm warning on it though. And unfortunately, radar is indicating giant hail potential. If you are in Fayette County in LaGrange, there have been multiple reports of hail so far today. None thus far have been as big as what is approaching you in Fayette County. So what I'm going to do is we have flash flood warnings that are still in effect for the Austin area. Those of you who are in that area obviously by now know, do not go through flooded roadways. There's a ton of lightning with this storm that is over Fayette County. And in addition, the hail core is just incredible. Also worth noting, as we take a look at LaGrange and Highway 71, see this right here? That is a hook echo. There is still rotation with the storm. Although it is not currently in a tornado warning, we've got rotation that's just south of Highway 71 and right near Highway 77. So let me leave you with this. Right now, the hail core is starting to drop, but just near West Point and just north of Lena, this radar was indicating grapefruit-sized hail, and it's all heading to the east. We'll keep you updated. If a tornado warning is issued, we'll get right back to you.
Now, your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chicago Windler.
Flash flooding was a big problem tonight. Then you add that hail into the mix. So much danger, so many dangerous conditions out there tonight.
Absolutely. At one point in Pflugerville, 1.7 inches of rain in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Jollyville,
dangerous.
4 inches of rain in an hour.
Yeah, and the creeks, problem.
Absolutely. You can check atxfloods.com to check out the latest in terms of closures. And now we're still monitoring a rotating supercell thunderstorm that is rolling right into LaGrange, packing with it potential at one point of baseball to grapefruit sized hail. It has been trended down to golf ball size. That is still going to cause major damage. So we can see multiple spots have already dealt with flooding rain as well as hail. And currently we're just going to focus in on where the storms are. We still have a flash flood warning in effect for Travis County and Williamson County. The heaviest rain has subsided, but we're starting to see some new storms pop up. Those of you in Gillespie County, you're under a flood advisory from Fredericksburg points to the south. And then as we head toward the east, we've got flood advisories issued from Smithville in Bastrop County all the way out into areas like Carmine and LaGrange in Fayette County. And let's look at LaGrange. Earlier, there was a tornado warning from Rosanke and Smithville all the way east to near LaGrange, and this same rotating supercell thunderstorm that you're looking on radar right now at is still rotating. Look at this. Right across Highway 77 near Ammonsville, south of LaGrange, we still have rotation. It's a little broad, so that's why there's not a tornado warning, but this is a nasty storm. And when we talk about nasty, take a look at the hail core with this thing. It has pulsed up and down. At one point, we were seeing some of the colors in the grapefruit baseball sized range. Let me go ahead and check the latest on this, which is between LaGrange and the Ammonsville area along Highway 77, golf ball sized hail. Anything larger than quarter size is considered severe. So folks, if you are east of this storm, please make sure you bring under cover your car, anything that could be hit by the hail, FM 155. Obviously roofs, you can't do much about that. I do have a hunch there will be a lot of people calling insurance adjusters tomorrow, unfortunately. Now let's go ahead and track where these storms are moving. This has been a slow mover, moving to the east at about 20 miles per hour. So let me go ahead and track it for you. I'll give you the latest towns and times that could be in the line of this storm packing that hail punch. Halstead 10:33, Lake Fayette right around 10:42. All right. Big picture, we are not done yet. Here's a snapshot of our latest high-res computer model suggesting the worst of the action might be, and I'll go ahead and drop this a little bit for you, might be dropping its way toward Lee County and Fayette County and Bastrop County with a little bit of a lull possible. But then we could see regenerating storms. Here's a look at midnight. And now we watch at 1:30. We're not done yet. Why? Well, that's because there's still a cold front that has yet to push through. So it's basically stalled, and it's going to continue to bring us pockets of rain. I do think we could see some additional flooding just given how much has happened. Then we head towards 6 a.m., 7 a.m. We're not done yet. Here's the front finally, 10 o'clock. There could be more hail with this thing. Finally, it moves out by about midday tomorrow, and we see some improving weather. All right, so let's look at the 7-day forecast to give you a feel for what is ahead the next 7 days. Temperature-wise, we're going to see 83 tomorrow if we recover after those storms blow through. And we'll take a full screen look at that 7-day forecast so you can see still more storms possible late Saturday. Sunday, more storms, 69 degrees. Another severe weather episode possible on Tuesday. We want you to stay weather aware and be safe. We'll be right back.